In this video, we'll append the spheres that we created in the previous video. Make sure you're on the first animation blend file. Add a new plane mesh by pressing Shift+A. Press /key to hide the rest. Tab into Edit mode. Right-click and subdivide. Set the number of cuts to 8 in Subdivide menu. With the plane selected, switch to Geometry Nodes mode. Click on New. Press Shift+A in Node Editor. Search for and add mesh to points node. Next, add an instance on points node. Now let's append the cubes and spheres with logos created in the previous video. Click on File menu and click on Append. Locate the file with the objects and double-click. Double-click on Collections and select Sphere Logos. Now the logo objects are appended. Select all the logo sphere objects. Press Shift+S keys to launch the pie menu and choose Selection to Cursor. Now all the logo objects are overlapping in one location. Set the Mesh to Points mode to Faces. Press Shift+A key and add Collection Info node. Select Sphere Logos Collection in the Input field. Connect Instances Output to Instance Input of Instance on Points node. Connect Instances Output to Group Output if the connection is severed. Enable Pick Instance in Instance on Points, and Separate Children in Collection Info. Now we have all the spheres projected. Next, add a Scale Instances node. Then add a Random Value node and connect it to Scale. Change Min to 0.2, Max to 0.3. Press /key to unhide all the objects. Also make sure to hide Sphere Logos Collection. Next, add a Rotate Instances node. You can adjust the rotation of all the instances. We can set it to adjust randomly. Add a Random Value node. Set Min to 0 and Max to 360 and assign it to Rotation property. Duplicate Random Value node 2 times. add a Combine XYZ node to combine the 3 random values. Connect the vector output of Combine XYZ node to rotation. You can tidy up the nodes if you want. Right now, the spheres are on every face of the plane. We can choose to randomly display or hide the spheres. To do that, we can add a random value node. Press Shift+A and add a random value node to Mesh to Points. Change from float to Boolean. Connect to Mesh to Points and adjust the probability to your liking. Now the spheres appear scattered randomly instead of on every column/row. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.